Welcome! Today I will show you how to make animated button like that. Now I am making HTML file. First I will make a wrapper. Next, link with class, wave btn in two spans, one with class, wave btn text and text button, and one with class, wave btn wave and without any text. And now we can start writing the style. I am writing the style for HTML and body tags, then for the wrapper. And now for the link and the spans. At the moment we are starting making a beautiful animation. If you like the button, subscribe to the channel and write at the comments, what should I do next? Bye.